So this is the future of the US dollar, and this is probably what's going to happen is we're just going to eventually one day just, we're either going to get rid of the Federal Reserve, so we can stop paying all this interest and stop heaping tons and tons of debt onto people who their children's children cannot even begin to imagine to pay off. But this could like buy a house a few short years ago, and now $100,000. This probably buy you something that's worth a couple bucks. And same goes to say with all the rest of these colorful notes. And the Venezuelans aren't. They don't think it's funny. They don't think it's cute. They don't like it. A lot of them are hurting under Maduro's regime, and so this is just another a desktop reminder that one should be putting their nest egg and their real purchasing power or wealth into something a lot more liquid, a lot more valuable, and namely silver. Silver maintains its value, like even with the collapse of the Venezuelan economy, silver still managed to go up like, I think it's something crazy like 5 million% in the last year, in 2018. And inflation, it has slowed down, but it's their economy is and then Trump wants to put more sanctions on Venezuela, and there's just shortages all over the place, and eventually what's going to emerge is there will be a more of a capitalistic environment, but because nothing really can compare to the damage that has been done. So anyways, keep stacking that silver, and keep it on your desk, keep it in your pocket, show people some of the little tiny pieces of silver so that they get interested in what the market is doing, and they read up and research and figure out for themselves what the rest of us all figured out, whether it was a long time ago or whether it was very recent. It doesn't take rocket scientists to figure out that everyone should be stacking. At least if you're in a country that doesn't even charge a 20% VAT tax, Americans should be stacking silver like crazy. You don't need fancy coins or fancy rounds. Just buy some generic bullion. You can get it a little bit over spot, and tie up some purchasing power into silver. It's one of the second most versatile assets next to oil. And this is oil economy that was based on oil, and silver is a natural resource that will always be used, and it will always have a place on the periodic table as the best conductor of electricity, best reflective material. We can already see all the uses, from nanotechnology to solar power, solar panels. Silver will continue to have a place in industry, Apple computers, whatever the case may be, Tesla. They just keep coming out with bigger and better and more advanced uses for silver. So that's going to be interesting. I might pick up a couple more of these sets. These are very effective learning tools, and it's an instrument. If you have a classroom or if you teach economics, to have the kids and have students, actually look and see what this stuff that they think money is, and have them more hands-on. Teach them about metals. I mean, nobody knows anything about precious metals unless you go to mining college, or you were taught in the pre-70s. I don't know when they stopped teaching gold and silver, but anyways, people have very shallow understanding of history and monetary policy. Please help me try to spread the good word and good news about silver. Feel free to subscribe and like this channel. I know the content might be hurting right now, trying to come up with more content, but I'm just getting started. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please leave comments below. Thanks. Talk to you later. So I hope you liked this video. It was very bland. I have a monotone voice, just trying to get a message across. And that is on the hat. Alright. Talk to you later. Peace out.